Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. Just want to show you what I've done with this Porsche 911 SC here. So, as you can see here, we just had to use the extra waterproof connector on this one here. So I've got a waterproof connector here, I've got one here as well, all waterproof connector on this side here, and the right hand side as well, all waterproof connector as well. But there's a lot of water at the back, and the wiring harness from factory on this model, on the air-cooled cars, are not really that good. So you've got to use this. So once we finish that, we've got to put silicone. I'll show what I mean. Once we plug it into here, see the plug? It's like that goes the plug. Usually from factory, there's a special plug that you they all come together, and you plug it in and it locks in. There's a little rubber seal around it here to actually stop the actual water from getting in. But this one here has been modified from before, so we have no choice but to actually do it this way. And it took longer because we had to find a short circuit in the system as well. So we found that this wire here, that's actually blowing up the fuse, which is on the fuse number. If you count from the front, is 1, 2, 3, 4. The most front fuse. It's left hand side parking light. So that was shorting out and blowing it up all the time, causing the actual system not to work properly. At the same time, some of the line wasn't good as well. So basically we had to took the whole wiring harness off and then just start again and do it from scratch. So now we found the problem. It's all good now, it's not blowing the fuse. Now we're going to actually take this one off, and we're going to put the wiring harness. After we run the wiring harness, waterproof connectors, we're going to put this in here there, to make it look nicer, to stop it from actually touching anything else, especially the body. But we're going to put another waterproof one here as well. Put one more waterproof to actually stop it from rust. Alright, this one here is alright because this one here connects inside to the light to here, so that won't be full of silicone, so it's going to protect it anyway. Just for that one there. But now we're nearly there, so we're just going to finish that, and then we're going to do the front as well, front lights as well. Anything that's got to be repaired in the wiring, might as well do it now rather than actually doing it later. It's a waste of time. Let's do it in one go, get it properly fixed properly, is much better. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.